Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths, CBSE, chapter 9, differential equation, exercise 9.6, 14th sum. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, where y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So this is in a form of linear equation. It is in a form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. We have to bring it into that form, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. So what is the coefficient of dy by dx here? 1 plus x square. So throughout you can divide 1 plus x square. So dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square, 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. So dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square, 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x square the whole square. Now it is in a form of, this is the form of what? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is linear in p. This is linear in y. This is linear in, this is linear in y. This is linear in y. It is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is the p value here? P equal to 2xy by 1 plus x square. 2x by, that is y coefficient. P 2x by 1 plus x square. P equal to 2x by 1 plus x square and q equal to 1 by 1 plus x square the whole square. Q equal to 1 plus x square the whole square. Then we move on to the integrating factor, that is integral pdx. Integral pdx equal to 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. See the denominator value. See, this is 1 plus x square. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. X square is 2x. When you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator log of that value. So log of the denominator. So log of modulus of 1 plus x square, that is, see, once again I repeat, 1 differentiation is 0 and x square differentiation is 2x. So when you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator. So log of 1 plus x square. Next, integrating factor. What is that integrating factor? E power integral pdx. E power integral pdx equal to e power log of modulus of 1 plus x square. E power log value is 1. So the integrating factor value is what? 1 plus x square. The integrating factor value is 1 plus x square. See the general solution. General solution, y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Dx plus c. So y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square equal to integral, what is the value of q? 1 by 1 plus x square the whole square. Integrating factor is 1 plus x square into dx. When you cancel the value, see here, y into 1 plus x square equal to integral 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So what is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Tan inverse of x by a, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, that is, this is nothing but a square. A square value is 1. So tan inverse of x by a. Y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of x plus c, that is integral 1 by a square plus x square into dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. In the place of a you have the value of 1. So 1 by 1 tan inverse of x by 1 plus c. What is the general solution? Y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of x plus c. See, we want to find out the value of c because the values are given y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. We can substitute in this general solution and get the value of c. See, when x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, can substitute in general solution. You can substitute in general solution. Y value is 0 into 1 plus 1 square. It's equal to tan inverse of 1 plus c. Tan inverse of 1 plus c. So 0 into any number? 0 equal to tan inverse of 1 plus c. See the trigonometric value when you are getting the value of 1 in tan table. Trigonometric table tan value is 1. Yeah, it is pi by 4. So 0 equal to pi by 4 plus c. 0 equal to pi by 4 plus c. So what is the value of c? C equal to minus pi by 4. C value is minus pi by 4. You can substitute in general solution. So y into 1 plus x square. Y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x minus pi by 4. Tan inverse of x minus pi by 4 is the required general solution. Is the required general solution. Is the required general solution. See the 15th sum, dy by dx minus 3y cot x equal to sin 2x, where y equal to 2 and x equal to pi by 2. See, the given equation is linear in y. This is linear. This is linear in y because it is in a form of what? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. So this is linear in y. This is linear in y. So what is the value of p? P is nothing but a coefficient of y. Minus 3 cot x. Minus 3 cot x and q equal to sin 2x. Then we move on to the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral p dx. First we should find out integral p dx. So integral, what is that p value? Minus 3 cot x into dx. Minus 3 is constant, you can take it out. So integral cot x into dx. What is integral cot x? Integral cot x is log of modulus of sin x. So integral p dx equal to minus 3 into log of modulus of sin x. Log of modulus of sin x. So according to the power rule, you bring that minus 3 to the power. So log of modulus of sin x whole power minus 3. Log of modulus of sin x whole power minus 3. Next, integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx equal to e power log of modulus of sin x whole power minus 3. E power log value is what? 1. E power log value is 1. So you are getting the value sin x whole power minus 3, or you will write 1 by sin x whole power sin x whole power 3, or otherwise 1 by sin cube x. So what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 by sin cube x. See the general solution. General solution, y into integrating factor. Y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. integrating factor into dx plus c, y into integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? 1 by sine cube x. 1 by sine cube x equal to integral q value is what? Sine 2x. Q is sine 2x. Integrating factor is 1 by sine cube x into dx. You know the trigonometric formula? Sine 2x is what? 2 sine x cos x. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x into 1 by sine cube x into dx. 1 by sine cube x into dx. Sin x get cancelled. So what is the result? 2 cos x into 1 by sin x into dx. See the general solution. So y into 1 by sine cube x, y into 1 by sine cube x equal to 2 is constant, you can take it out. What is the remaining value? Cos x into 1 by sine square, because cube is there, I cancelled only one sine x, so q square is there. Cos x 1 by sine square x into dx. Sine square x into dx to 2 into integral cos x. Cos x, that 1 by sine square x, you can split the term, 1 by sine x into 1 by sine x into dx. So it gives 2 into integral cos x by sine x, cos x by sine x into 1 by sin x into dx. So what is the trigonometric value of cos x by sin x? Cot x. So 2 into integral cot x. 1 by sin x is nothing but cosecant x. Cosecant x into dx. Cosecant x into dx. See the general solution. Y into 1 by sine cube x equal to integral, you write it in a proper way, 2 into cosecant x cot x into dx. Cosecant x cot x into dx. So y into 1 by sine cube x equal to 2 into integral cosecant x cot x is nothing but what? Minus cosecant x plus c. Minus cosecant x plus c. We want to find out the value of c also. See, y equal to, you bring this sine cube x to this side. So 2 into minus cosecant x. 2 into minus cosecant x into sine cube x. You bring that sine cube to this side. So y equal to 2 into minus cosecant x into sine cube x plus c into sine cube x plus c into sine cube x. Y equal to minus 2 into 1 by sine x. Cosecant is nothing but what? Inverse of sine. 1 by sine x into sine cube x plus c into sine cube x. You cancel the value. So this is the value of y equal to minus 2 sine square x plus c into sine cube x. So y equal to minus 2 into sine square x, minus 2 into sine square x plus c into sine cube x, but the values are given. We want to find out the value of c also. Put y equal to 2 and x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. So y equal to, substitute in this equation in 1. You can substitute in this equation. 2 equal to minus 2 into sine pi by 2 the whole square. Both are same. See, sin x the whole square equal to sine square x. Both are same. Both the values are same only. So sine pi by 2 the whole square. Instead of x, I put the value of pi by 2 plus c into sine pi by 2 the whole cube. Sine pi by 2 the whole cube. So 2 equal to minus 2 into 1 square. What is the value of sin pi by 2? Sin 90 equal to 1 plus c into 1 cube. So 2 equal to minus 2 plus c. What is the value of c? 2 plus 2. You bring that 2 to the left hand side, it becomes plus 2. It's equal to c. This implies c value equal to 4. What is the value of c? C value equal to 4. See the general solution. General solution equal to y equal to minus 2 sin square x. So what is the value of c? C value is 4. 4 into sin cube x. Y equal to minus 2 into sin square x plus c value is 4 into sin cube s is the required general solution of the differential equation. Is the required general solution of the differential equation. I hope you understood, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.